Let me discuss first the sample papers of sample CBSE sample papers. So I will try to discuss. So first we will discuss MCQs. The first MCQ for this is, for example, he's saying question number 1. If 2 sine square beta is an angle, it can be x, it can be y, kuch bhi, is equal to cos square beta, which is equal to 2. Find beta. I want to find out this angle. अब देखिए, solution of this question, this is 2 sine square beta minus cos square beta, which is 2. Now option he has given me 0, 90, 45, 30. So in this type of question, just substitute the value and see whether left hand side is equal to right hand side. See, then if I will put beta is equal to 0. Now sine 0 is 0, so this is 2 is to 0. Then cos 0, it is 1, so 1 square is 1. So that means 0 minus 1 should be minus 1. So this is not equal to 2. So one thing is clear that this is not the appropriate option. So मेरा पहले वाला तो गलत हो गया. Now, second way, when beta equal to 90, under those circumstances, what will happen to sine square 90 minus cos square 90. Now, sine 90, this is equal to 1. So, 2 is to 1 minus cos 90 is 0. So, which is equal to 2. Yes, this is the correct one. Let me see the third one also. When beta is equal to 45. Now, 2 sine square 45 minus cos square 45. So 2 sine 45 1 by under root 2 ka whole square minus 1 by under root 2 ka whole square. So this is 2 is to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, cancel 1 minus 1 by 2, which is 1 by 2, which is not equal to 2. So this is not the right option. In the same way, you can check for the D option also. It will not be the right option. So only the correct option is B. So what I want to tell you, if this type of question comes to you where equation is involved, you can put the value from the given options to check whether left hand side of the equation is equal to right hand side. If it is, then whichever be the correct, go with that. Come to the next one. Just note it down. Question number 2. This is, there is a triangle ABC right angled at B. if tan A is equal to under root 3, which is equal to perpendicular over base, P over B.
Good
So this is
morning,
my
sir.
perpendicular, this is my base. I want to find out the value of cos A, cos C minus sin A, sin C. So for that I need the value of cos A, then I need the value of sin A. पहले तो मेरे को ये values चाहिए. Now my base is 1, my perpendicular is under root 3. What should be hypotenuse? Under root 3 का square 3, 1 का square 1.
104
1 plus 3, 4. It should
H2
be 2.
2
So all the three sides are known to me now. Cos A. Cos A is equal to base over hypotenuse. So my base is 1, my hypotenuse is 2. Sin A is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. Under root 3 upon 2. So both the values I have calculated. Right? Now next I need cos C. Now if I will consider this angle C, perpendicular will be this and base will be this. So perpendicular over base 1 over under root 3. Sin C. The value of sin C, this is perpendicular over hypotenuse. Cos is base over hypotenuse. So base is under root 3. This is under root 3 over 2. Under root 3 over 2. Let me rub and write it again. Because cos is base over hypotenuse. So this is my base, this is hypotenuse. So in case of sine, I need perpendicular over hypotenuse. So this is 1 by 2. I hope this is clear. This spell and this spell.
Yes, sir.
Substitute the values. Cos A half, cos C under root 3 by 2, sin A under root 3 by 2, and sin C 1 by 2. So this is under root 3 by 4, under root 3 by 4, cancel. So which implies the value of cos A, cos C, sin A, sin C equal to 0. So this kind of question can come where two type of angles are involved. See, one, you have to find out the values for angle A. This is cos A and this is sin A. Then you have to find out the value of angle C. This is cos C and sin C. So you have to take care of perpendicular and base. In case of angle A, the side opposite to angle A will be perpendicular and this is the base. In case of sin C, angle C, the side opposite to C will be perpendicular and this will be the base. Note it down. And let me know. Then we'll move to the next question.
Sir, you are not audible. Sir, your voice is not audible.
Sir, you are on mute.
Beta, in this type of question, what you have to see what is given to us. 4 tan beta is equal to 3, which implies the value of tan beta is given to us. The value of tan beta is given to us. From this value, I have to find out first the value of sine beta. I have to find out the value of cos beta, and then I have to substitute here. Second thing is, I can also convert it into 10 because the value of tan beta is given to me. What I will do, divide numerator and denominator by cos beta. This is 4 sine beta upon cos beta minus 3 cos beta upon cos beta divided by 4 sine beta upon cos beta plus 3 cos beta upon cos beta, which implies 4 tan beta minus 3 cos beta and cos beta cancel, divided by 4 tan beta plus 3 cos beta and cos beta cancels. So now you can directly substitute the value of tan beta, which is 4 is to 3 by 4 minus 3. 4 is to 3 by 4 plus 3. 4 goes, 4 goes. So which implies 3 minus 3 upon 3 plus 3, which implies 0 upon 6, which implies 0. This is the answer. So it is better that convert it into the given value. If it was, suppose karo, in place of 10, there is a cot. Then under those circumstances, I will divide numerator and denominator by sine. Because sine goes with sine, cos over sine it is cot, cos over sine it is cot. Clear? So if the value of cot is given to you, so in place of division by cos beta, you will divide it by sine beta. Just note it down, then we'll move to the next question. So there are two questions. One is with tan and second is with cot. So the options for this question are 0. This is 2. This is 20. This is 2 raised to 20. Can I go? If anybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see, in this question, आगे. Okay, so in this question, tan alpha plus cot alpha is equal to 2, it is given. So if I will solve it, see, tan alpha plus cot alpha equal to 2. So if this is sin alpha upon cos alpha upon sin alpha is equal to 2, what it means? Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha upon sin alpha cos alpha, which is equal to 2. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, this is 1, upon sin alpha is to cos alpha is equal to 2 cross multiply. So 1 is equal to sin, see, 2 sin alpha is to cos alpha. यहाँ से आप देखो, what should be the angle of alpha so that it should be 1? अब देखो, this is my 1 is equal to 2 sin alpha cos alpha. So if I will write here 2 multiply by alpha, what should be sin alpha to get it under root 2? What should be cos alpha to get it 1 by under root 2? Because under root 2 is to under root 2, 2 cancel, it should be is equal to 1. So that means alpha must be 45. Because sin 45, this is 1 by under root 2. Cos 45, this is 1 by under root 2. Clear? So that means यहाँ से हमने क्या किया कि we have calculated the value of alpha. Now I want to find out the value of this trigonometric identity. So this is tan square 20 alpha plus cot 20 alpha. So alpha is 45. So this is tan 45 raised to power 20 plus cot 45 raised to power 20. So tan 45, this is 1 raised to power 20. Cot 45, this is 1 raised to power 20. So 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. So that means B is the correct answer. So what you have to take care, you have to solve this identity first. So I have solved this identity. I have converted a tan into sine over cos, cot into cos over sine. Then I have solved. My net value is 1 is equal to 2 sine alpha cos alpha. So alpha is equal to 45. So 2 is to sine 45, 1 by 2, cos 45, 1 by 2. Clear? So from here, I have calculated alpha is equal to 45. I have substituted the value of this to get my answer.
Yes.
Now, the next is, you see, if 1 plus, in the next period also, I will continue with the questions of trigonometry. These are all questions of CBSE sample papers. This is given, I want to find the value of cot alpha. Hurry up, try this question. So that means that 1 plus sine square alpha is equal to 3 sine alpha cos alpha is given. I want to find out cot alpha. The options are minus 1 and 1, 0 and 1, 1 and 2, minus 1 and minus 1. These are the options. This is A. So to get the value of cot, either we have to convert it into the entire equation into cot or entire equation into tan, so that if there is some quadratic equation, we can find out the value of sine of cot. So quickly, try it. All the students who are here. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Anybody? Will give me the answer. Chill. Now see, how you will solve it. This one can be written as sine square alpha plus cos square alpha plus this is sine square alpha between is equal to 3 sine alpha cos alpha. So this is 2 sine square alpha minus 3 sine alpha cos alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 0. Now we can do the factorization. This is 2 sine square alpha minus 2 sine alpha cos alpha minus sine alpha cos alpha plus cos square alpha equal to 0. So if you will see for this, this is 2 sine alpha. I have taken it out. This is sine alpha minus cos alpha minus. Take cos alpha outside. This is sine alpha minus cos alpha. So take 2 sine alpha minus cos alpha out, and this is sine alpha minus cos alpha, which is equal to 0. This is 2 sine alpha minus cos alpha equal to 0, or sine alpha minus cos alpha equal to 0. So which implies sine alpha is equal to cos alpha. Cos alpha upon sine alpha equal to 1. Cot alpha equal to 1. This is the first solution. So -1 option goes, and these three options are still there because one is there, one is there, one is there. Now for this, 2 sine alpha is equal to cos alpha. Take sine alpha to the denominator. Cot alpha is equal to 2. So cot alpha is 2, cot alpha is 1. So 1 and 2, this is the final answer. Any doubt to any student, you are free to ask. But these questions are very important, especially the types. Don't try to cram the questions. Try to learn the types. How we are solving the questions. These types must be in your mind. Because in this question, when I have solved it, because I can't do anything with sine square alpha. I can't do anything with 3 sine alpha cos alpha. I can do only something with 1. So I have written 1 as sine square alpha and cos square alpha. Because with this country, sine square theta plus cos square theta, this is equal to 1 plus sine square alpha is equal to 3 sine alpha cos alpha. I have solved the things. Next question. So we will do the next question in the next class. Join after the break at 12:40, all the students, because I will try to finish the entire sample paper. After that, I will discuss the questions which are important for MCQs. Few types we have already discussed, but few more types from different papers I will discuss with you. So after just lunch, we will rejoin at 12:40. Okay. So I hope you people have noted this. See you.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.